That's what I'm saying. Instead of
you ain't gonna find nothing. What, you don't think I'm gonna eat? I'm trying to figure this stuff out. Uh-huh.
I think I'll leave.
How are you leaving? We're live.
Did you turn this back off?
I did before we started. Before we started messing with. Did you get that up and over there?
Yeah, but there's no straight. All of them's cut to length that you plug them into a certain place. But
Let me finish this test here and I'll see if I
go and get something to eat. No, didn't mean to interrupt y'all.
you're not interrupting anything. Always turn off the power source first. Only right way to test wiring is proper testing equipment, of course. Take one of them wires and bend it straight and stick it.
Now you might need it for something else, another test.
Oh my goodness.
Let me see your lab stuff there.
That is, if a fuse or circuit breaker is tripped before you turn it back on, a good way to show is you have a safe attitude for it. Avoid distractions. Share Facebook. To discharge a circuit or component after the power has been turned off, you should use a resistor of the appropriate value, a short piece of wire, a screwdriver with the insulated handle.
To discharge a circuit component, the power's been turned off. To just discharge a circuit or a component,
After the power has been turned off, you should use a short piece of wire, a screwdriver with the insulated handle, or a resistor of the appropriate value.
Well, some people take a screwdriver with an insulated handle.
I know, but I don't think that's the right answer for his. Using too heavy of a fuse should be avoided because it may cause the wire to overheat. I think this thing's got 40 questions. What? You didn't see anything in there?
No, it just...
What were these? Where do they go? These. What are these?
That's nothing. That either goes to your oscilloscope over there or...
hooks to the digital multimeter there.
Or, yeah.
Okay, so that's the screwdriver.
I'm sure the video or something tells you how to...
You know what, Daddy? I think we got it. What do you think?
We're still guessing. We're still...
5-volt positive and a 5-volt negative. The machine is turned off, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna put your lead in here.
I'm gonna turn it off.
Go ahead.
See, I'm reading 0.004. It's going up. No, it ain't going up.
Oh, you got it -5.
Daddy, it says connect it to +5 and -5 outputs. And it was changing whatever you just did.
Was that the right DC setting?
I don't know. That's what I'm asking you.
See, that's not even changing anything. Oh, wait a minute. I think it did go up.
Yeah, because I unhooked it. That's measuring amps. We need to be measuring volts.
DC volts.
That's amps. That's super small.
Yep.
No, that's not ohms. That's something that's really, really small. Okay, so where? Turn this thing off.
Son, it don't say negative.
Daddy, right here, power supply positive output to the digital multimeter voltage ohms input.
Which is this.
Okay.
Okay, hold on right. That would be output 5. That would be this right here.
Yes. power supply negative output to digital multimeter COM input. Which is negative, and we're using power supply plus 5 volts outputs.
So the thing you need to figure out, make sure you got the setting right here and the setting.
Yes, because this is saying set DMM to DC voltage.
Yeah, which is,
That's amperage though.
it's mega ohms. I see that changes to AC. That's AC over there.
Okay.
DC, what do they call that little symbol there? It's milliamps and amps. DC,
But we need to measure volts.
milliamps.
It's like Umbra or something. Something weird like that.
Yeah. So which range should it be in? I mean,
DC volts, not amps.
but where's the DC volt then?
I don't know. You've got the paperwork over there that tells you how to use it.
Input terminal for AC, DC, multi.
Alright, that's why we're not getting any reading, because we're not even using those.
Alright. Input terminal AC measure 10 amp, 10. Okay, so 8 is COM return. 7 is input terminal for voltage, diode, capacitance, resistance, continuity, and temperature measurement. So I guess it would be 9.
No, we're not measuring. We're not measuring any of that. We're not measuring amps. We're measuring voltage.
DC. AC or DT voltage, use select button for switching to AC or DC. Okay. Alright, so go back over there then.
There we go.
I never knew that. See, I learned something.
Okay, so why is it reading?
It's millivolts.
There we go.
Volts.
Alright.
And turn this back on.
Wait, I mean, take you. There you go. No, I mean, turn it. You can turn it on now. Just I didn't.
So does that matter where you put it?
I don't know. Oh, that's reading AC. No wonder. DC.
10. Okay, so that won't matter. Okay, so you're reading 10.3.
03. Yeah. 10.03 volts.
Okay. Yep.
Pretty steady. Works for me. 10.03. What you got over there? Oh. gosh. Okay, now we have to do it with that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I'll take these back out.
Took us that long to figure out.
Well, you're learning how to use the equipment.
Oh gosh.
You better go get you something to eat. Now you got to get the stuff out of this.
Yeah, I know. I don't have a plug. I don't have enough plugs in here.
Was she talking about me going okay?
What?
I'm saying if it was just going to be him, they could have went and ate it. Chick-fil-A.
I think she's going to be in town right now. Oh, she say something about you.
Because you wasn't eating him.
Well. Registered product. I guess we'll have to unplug the big box and plug that one in because I don't have enough plugs to go around. Not unless you want to set this on this table and plug it in over there.
Whatever you want to do. This measures temperature.
Here, you can just plug it in back there.
Yeah.
Set channel 1 of oscilloscope to do 2 volts DC. I don't even know where the power button's at. Oh. Hey. I've always wanted one of these.
Alright, there's your.
Okay. I am not worried about food, Daddy.
Figuring it out.
Do what?
Are you figuring it out?
Trying to.
It's a lot.
I don't know what in the world. Okay.
Which leads come with this?
There we go. They're in this box and these. And then I've got all those leads in here too.
These came with it, right? This is one. They give you 2 sets of everything, don't they?
That's what it looks like. Then I got
Very good.
Here's some with alligator clamps if that would be easier, dude.
Well, these have got little, same thing.
Let me push it out. Yeah, but how are you supposed to hook that to it? The
Well,
digital multimeter.
Or you can use,
Oh, it's got, oh, okay. Alright, so it says set channel 1 of oscilloscope to 2 volts DC. Set time base to 50. Now you got me on that. I don't know this read this. On screen side buttons. Side screen menu buttons.
let's turn it back off a minute and look up all your, or does it go ahead and say
I don't know. I'm reading.
pro check?
Multi-purpose knob. Set time base of oscilloscope.
Okay, set time to 50. Okay, where's your time?
That's what I'm looking for, dude. Okay, the scale knob, vertical controls,
50-second division.
vertical controls. These controls you just set to modify the waveform. Okay.
Here's your horizontal.
Horizontal controls. Okay, the scale knob is used to control the horizontal time. What are you pushing, Daddy? I don't know what any of that does. What did you push?
Is that?
Well, it changed something because all this over here changed. Stop. I don't know what.
Don't set it up there.
Yeah. Move the cord out from behind it. Set time base of oscilloscope. Okay, channel 1 is at 2 volts. We got that.
Okay. Where's that at?
Channel 1, 2 volts. This right here adjusted. I found that.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, so this is your channel number here.
Yeah.
I got you.
I don't think this does.
Set time base. So which one is your time base?
These controls used to regulate the horizontal acquisition and display of a waveform. They include scaling and positioning the time axis of the display. Which are these?
This is the time.
That's what it just said.
Okay, you set that to 50 something seconds, whatever that is. Oh, so okay, so it's down to 500. There you go.
Okay.
Is that milliseconds?
No, that's not milli. That's whatever that symbol means. I don't know what that symbol means. Okay, now it says set triggering to positive edge for channel 1. Okay, the trigger controls used to set the threshold condition, which are these right here.
What does the trigger do?
Daddy, I'm reading. I don't know. Trig menu is used to display various trigger options on the oscilloscope display. Some of the trigger options that include are edge, triggered menu, type, edge, source, channel 1. No. Oops, went too far. Source channel 1. Set coupling.
So let's go DC.
And you see we don't have enough because we have to power this up. And you put the leads up too.
Oh, so you have to still read this with this.
This is your power supply.
Uh-oh.
I need another
strip.
power strip to go up under the desk. Here, try one of these. Go ahead. Make sure you look at the camera too. Go ahead, eat it. Eat it. Got one in here. I probably got one in the shop. Oh. Where you going? Where are you going, Daddy? Coupling the DC. Got it. That looks kind of fuzzy. Okay, so we got that figured out.
I don't know how you can eat one of those.
I've only ate one. So we've got to plug both of these up at the same time. You want to us do it in the morning?
Yeah, that's fine.
Because I've got to go to the shop and dig out a power strip, and I need a power strip to hook all this up, get all these wires out of the way, and
You need something that's going to keep turning, I guess.
yeah, I do.
Whew. Yeah, you got to go eat and everything too.
Oh my goodness, you're so worried about me eating. Yeah, just if you want to get up in the, because I'm gonna be working on this majority of the day tomorrow. We can get up in the morning and we can entertain the masses with us trying not to get electrocuted.
I think your mom and Kel is going to get a pedicure and stuff tomorrow too, so whatever.
Okay.
Whew. Good Lord. Huh?
I've been up, I hadn't had a few hours of sleep today. And
No, that's fine.
you want some biscuits and gravy?
No, we went got some wings.
Alright, well, call me in the morning.
Where's Will?
Bye.
All right.
Did you see our live stream? Did you turn on Facebook page? I mean, you won't be able to watch now because it's obviously live, but no, I don't have it set up to save. And I don't have it live streamed to Facebook, it's live streamed to YouTube. I have to share the link.
Yeah, and what was that you uploaded